I'm Scott Flowers with Cloud Ninjas. Today we're here to continue our series on the Dell PowerEdge R360 server. In this video, we're going to specifically focus on how to update your BIOS. Let's get going. Hey, thanks for stopping by today. It's a little bit more about the Dell PowerEdge R360 server. Do us a favor, if you find anything that helps you in this video, click that like and smash that subscribe. All right, so here's what we're gonna do in this video. We're gonna show you how to update your BIOS. And the way that we're gonna show you how to do it doesn't require an operating system. All it's gonna require is a USB drive, and that's it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you how to download an EFI file from Dell's website. Then we're going to show you how to create a bootable USB with a program called Rufus, which we're a big fan of. Then we're going to show you how to download that file into your USB, and then we're going to show you step-by-step instructions on how to install and update the BIOS into your server. So let's get into all the good stuff.
Hey, this is Mason with Cloud Ninjas, and today I will be showing you guys how to update your BIOS for your server. Now, this is a great option if you don't have an operating system or a hard drive or an internet connection. This is just an easy way to update your BIOS. Now, this will require a USB thumb drive and a computer with internet access. All right, so first thing we need to download is the BIOS EFI file. So go ahead and make your way to Dell.com, hover over the Support tab, and click on Support Home. Then scroll down to Identify Your Product or Search Support. Type in the model of your server and click the one with PowerEdge in front. Now go to the Drivers and Downloads tab. Under the drop down for Operating System, click on Not Applicable. Under the drop down for category, we will select BIOS. Now the download button for the BIOS update will be in the form of an exe file, which is only going to run in Windows. What we want is an EFI file. So click the drop down arrow that's to the right of the download button, and then we will navigate to other formats. Then you're going to go ahead and download the EFI file. And so now we will use this EFI file to create our bootable USB using a program called Rufus. So go into your web browser once again, search Rufus, and download the program and run it once it's done downloading. Plug the USB into the computer that you just downloaded Rufus on, and under Device in Rufus, make sure that the USB thumb drive is selected. If you have one USB thumb drive plugged into your machine, it will be selected by default. Leave everything under the default settings, then click the Select button and click on the EFI file that we downloaded in the previous steps. Click Start to begin creating the installation USB drive. Alright, so now that we have our EFI file on our USB, we need to pop it into our server and boot the server up. During post, we want to hit F11 to get into the boot manager. Select System Utilities in the boot manager. Select BIOS Update File Explorer in System Utilities. Select the USB drive that we just plugged into our server in the BIOS Update File Explorer. Now you are going to see the EFI file, so go ahead and select it and start the BIOS update. Now the server will check the BIOS image. This may take a few minutes, so we like to fast forward to save you guys some time, but what will pop up is a screen that says that the BIOS update has started, and I'll also show you the current BIOS version and the version you are updating to. You'll click on Continue BIOS Update to proceed. Now do note that your system may take a few minutes before you can select the Continue button, but don't worry, this is a normal delay since your machine is running the BIOS update, and it may need some time before everything to get done. Alright, you've done it. You've successfully updated your BIOS and your PowerEdge server.
Hey, do us a favor, leave a like and smash the subscribe. And if you're looking for any custom-built Dell, HPE, Supermicro, IBM, Cisco, Gigabyte, AMD, we do it all. We have both new and refurbished. So please give us a call or leave us an email at sales@cloudninjas.com. That's sales@cloudninjas.com. Anyways, thanks for stopping by, guys.